Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2019 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport Black Edition, stock reference number 4683. This shape runs from the 10th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We've got the chrome power door mirror. Left hand side, left door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch black alloy mags, factory, with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, TAG tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom module, less neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the passenger side door trim. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Has a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, display connect screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and the left hand sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.